In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add pages on Shopify. To get started, log into your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your store, products, and settings. Once you are in, look at the menu on the left side and go to Online Store. From there, select Pages. This is the area where Shopify stores all of your standalone pages, like an About page, FAQ, shipping information, or a contact page. On the Pages screen, click Add Page. This opens the page editor. First, enter your title. Make it clear and specific, because the title helps you stay organized in your admin, and it is often shown to customers on the page itself. Next, add your content in the main text area. This is where you write the information your customers will read. Keep the wording simple and easy to scan. You can also format the text in the editor to make it more readable, especially for longer pages. After that, find the visibility setting and set it to visible. This ensures the page can be viewed on your storefront after it is saved. If you leave it hidden, the page will exist in Shopify, but customers will not be able to access it through your store. Next, choose a theme template if it applies to what you are building. Many stores can leave this on the default page template, but if you are creating a contact page, you may have a template specifically meant for that, such as Contact. Selecting the right template helps the page display with the correct layout or built-in features from your theme. When everything looks good, click Save. Your page is now created, but there is one more important part. To make it easy for customers to find, go back to Online Store and then open Navigation. From there, you can add the new page to one of your menus, such as the main menu or the footer menu, depending on where you want it to appear. And that is all there is to it.